Welcome to Cechen, a trusted and professional metal wire mesh manufacturer with over 39 years of experience, recognized globally for our quality, expertise, and innovation. Based in Anping, China, the world's center of wire mesh production, Cechen has grown into a highly specialized factory, combining traditional craftsmanship with modern automation. Our production facility is equipped with more than 100 advanced weaving and welding machines, operated by experienced technicians and engineers. From fine woven mesh to heavy-duty screening panels, each product is carefully crafted to ensure precision, strength, and reliability. We offer a diverse range of wire mesh products, including stainless steel woven mesh, welded wire mesh, nickel titanium mesh, copper mesh, Monel mesh, and other custom-made solutions using special materials. At Cechen, we pride ourselves not only on our decades of experience, but also on our strong commitment to strict quality control, technical excellence, and customer-oriented service. All of our products are manufactured under international standards. We are ISO 9001 and CE certified and fully compliant with RoHS and REACH regulations, ensuring our products are safe, durable, and environmentally friendly. Today, Cechen serves clients in over 50 countries across industries such as petrochemicals, automotive, food processing, plastics, and construction, earning a global reputation for precision, reliability, and trust. Whether you're an engineer, distributor, or industry professional, we invite you to contact us and discover how Cechen can support your business with high-quality wire mesh solutions and expert service you can rely on.